Does keto really work?
So I think that this question is around, does keto really work for weight loss over the long term?
Yes.
And keto, yeah,
I'm
yes.
just going to say yes.
Yes. So we have been on keto. We're going on 3 years in April.
Mm-hmm.
That's kind of averaging when we started, kind of meeting in the middle. So 3 years in April. And I've lost 20 pounds and kept it off.
I've lost 35 to 40 pounds and kept it off. I'm at my maintenance weight, and I don't really have to think about calories anymore, or really think about, I just eat to satiety.
So does keto work? Yes. And why does it work? I think is another part of the question that's behind this question. Why or how does it work?
Well, I mean, we talk a lot about the metabolic state of why it works, but why does it work for me is that now that I've been doing it for a while, it's become part of my daily habits. So it's easy to maintain because I don't have to think, how am I going to make this different to eat it? So it is easy to sustain long term because I've developed new habits around it, and I've developed new ways of thinking about it. Really, I don't have to think all that much about it anymore. I know what to do in most situations, right? We're traveling, I know what to do. I'm out and I don't have any food, I know what to do.
You go to work and you're faced with a pizza party, you know what to do.
Right. So a lot of the things that trip people up, I've gotten over, and now it's just, it's like vegetarians or vegans, like people that do that for 10, 20 years. They just know what they're doing at that point.
So there's a learning curve to it, and that's exactly why I developed the 7-Day Keto Challenge. We share a lot of those things that Jeremy says, I know what to do with traveling, being in these situations. We share a lot of that information during the challenge, and we have a whole day dedicated to travel because that's asked so many times. Because it was something that we had to relearn.
Yeah.
So you relearn a new set of skills, just like when you were a baby, you had to learn how to walk. So it's just relearning how to do things, and then it becomes simple. So there's a time investment up front, but I think that's true of anything really worth doing in life.
Absolutely.
Any new skill. I mean, if you're going to go learn how to play tennis or learn how to speak a new language, you have to learn the rules and the foundational things before it becomes easy and effortless. It's the same thing with this.